Hey guys, so today was not a very good day. As you can see.
Yeah, the back of it.
What happened to the tire?
Started on fire and blew over.
We had the Baler catch on fire. I was obviously at school, but here it is. Does not look very good. I mean, tires are fried and it's all fried. There isn't nothing saving it. Is this very good? Ooh. Hey, there's a head tire good. I mean, nothing good on here.
Look, I want to climb up there.
Right. Lucas is gonna climb up there. Take it for a rip. So I mean, Jack's nice. Yep. Oh, burnt. It's burnt. There used to be belts all right here. It's all on fire. So it's not good. So Lexi, hold on. Yeah, Lucas, that's really gonna work. No gas in it.
Dad, I don't know what's wrong with it. It ain't got no gas in it.
So, but
Oh my gosh.
I mean, it's pretty bad. Guys, this is what the back looks like. So, I mean, that's what it looks like. This is where it was on fire, guys. So,
I don't know. We'll figure it out.
shocking, even good. I mean, it is toasted.